Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a charged Pixel 9, a signed Google account, and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Once those are ready, open Settings and navigate to the Google section to surface Gemini or Assistant settings. This ensures the device can download models and preferences. Make sure Play Store auto updates are enabled so the latest Gemini client installs. Now tap the Gemini entry to start the setup flow. This is the first actionable step that kicks off permissions and model download. Continue by granting the necessary permissions: microphone for voice, location for contextual responses, and storage for cached models, because Gemini needs these to function reliably. Once done, configure voice match so it recognizes you and set privacy options to control data sharing. This affects personalization. Next, choose the model hosting: on-device for lower latency and offline use, or cloud-assisted for more capability. Make sure to confirm any additional downloads and sign into any linked services. Finish the setup by running a live test. Ask Gemini a simple question allowed to verify voice recognition, response speed, and permission access. If responses are delayed or missing, restart the Pixel 9 to clear background locks and finalize model integration. If issues persist, reset Gemini permissions or reinstall the client from the Play Store to repair corrupt downloads. One key troubleshooting tip: if voice input fails, toggle microphone permission and reboot. That single action resolves most recognition errors due to permission conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.